Thank you so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. This is such a fun video series for me to run every single Saturday, and if you have any updates at all, please drop them in the comment section below, and I really love sharing everyone's accomplishments throughout the week. So how I'd like to start off this week's Locksport update is by going over something that it's been in the works for quite a while. I've been working closely with Tony Varelli at Emagine More, and this is a company that Tony runs, which is a tech-based company that is really great at making websites and offering people many solutions. So what he has done for me is he's helped me set up a website for my YouTube channel. I have not mentioned this website publicly, but I have shown it to a few people. My website is going to be www.HelpfulLockPicker.com, and I just think that is so cool to have, and I just want to say, Tony, thank you again for helping me set this up. What I'm going to do is show you a really quick glimpse of my website so you can check it out. So the first thing you'll notice is when you get to the home page, you're going to see my most recent video posted, and then you can see some of my more recent videos posted. And then you can see how it is set up by a few different tabs. From the home page, you can go to the video page. And on this video page, as you may imagine, it's just going to be a list of my videos going down. And that is a really cool thing to have. So you can see all of my videos there. You can see how many views, how many likes, and how many comments. So you can really see how engaged the video has been. And you can see a really nice clip of the thumbnail. And then going on from the video tab, you can go over to the playlist tab, and that will help you easily see all of my playlists. What I really enjoy about the way that this website was set up is this is all auto-generated, so I do not need to upload the video links myself. It will do it after I post them, which is a really cool thing, and it makes it so much easier to run. I also have a tab for my blog feature. I have done one post, and I'd like to do some more down the road. This is something that I need to start getting into more, but I feel that this is a really fun thing to have. My first entry is going to be a mention of how I got into Locksport and just a brief introduction. And then there is an About tab, which is just a tab that just goes over some generic stuff about my channel, about how I'm into Locksport, who I am, and just some really cool things. And then it has a link to the first video of my lockpicking homeschool series, which I think is a really nice touch. And then on the bottom is my Contact tab. Inside it, I listed my Gmail, and I also mentioned that you can reach me in the comment section because I always try to reach everyone and reply. Also, there is a spot where you can send me a message. I am still working on getting better at reading those, but that is another method as well. But what I'd like to say is this is a really cool website, and I just want to say, Tony Varelli, thank you again for helping me set this up. This is such a really cool thing. If you don't know Tony Varelli already, he is very involved in the Locksport community. He likes to go to a lot of the conferences. He likes to pick locks, and he has his own channel as well. What he has done is he has really done some cool 3D printing stuff. He's always helping people out. And if you are interested at all in trying to get your own Locksport website set up, what you can do is I'll place right on the bottom here his email address, which is tony@imaginemore.com with an E. So tony@imaginemore.com, and you can contact him if you would like to learn any more information. He helps run Emagine More, and I'll put a link to his company website as well at imaginemore.com. I just want to say that this is such a fun thing to have, and thank you again to Tony Varelli for setting it up. And if you'd like to check out his channel, what I'll do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Another thing that I would like to mention this week is going to be Starry Lock. Starry Lock mentioned in the comment section that he has recently reached 200 subscribers, and I just want to say that that is such a huge accomplishment. Once you hit your first 100 subscribers, that is the hardest thing to do, and then doubling from there, it just gets easier and easier as you go. But I just want to say 200, that is just such a really cool number, and hopefully 200 will lead to 400, and we'll be seeing you at 1,000 subscribers in no time. Starry Lock is always very active in the comment section. He's always making some cool videos. And what he is doing right now is doing a 200 subscriber giveaway. If you'd like to check out his channel, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. And another thing that I'd like to mention in last week's Locksport update is some people didn't see their name in the list. The list that I mentioned last week was not a comprehensive list, and I did not show the entire list. That was just a quick, brief glimpse of what it looks like. So if you did not see your name, don't be worried. But one of the channels, Bird78, was concerned because he said, that finalizes it, I'm not a Locksport channel. I just want to say, Bird, you are a Locksport channel. We all consider you one, and you have certainly made some lockpicking videos. I just want to say that if anyone considers themselves a Locksport channel, they are. If you participate in the community, that is all we really need. So if you'd like to check out Bird's channel, he is definitely a Locksport channel, and I'll put a link to his channel here if you'd like to check him out and consider subscribing. Bird has not made a ton of videos, but he has made some, and I just want to say, Bird, yes, you are a Locksport channel. And another thing that was mentioned to me on Reddit was Diggs. Diggs is on Reddit, and he has mentioned that he is currently working on trying to make a collaborative YouTube channel for the black belt pickers. He told me that he was going to email me some more details, and that is still pending. What I want to say is that is a pretty cool concept, and that is something that might be coming down the road. But either way, guys, this has been my Locksport update for this week. I am super excited about my website, and I am so happy to start to share it with you. If you guys have any updates that you would like to see shared next week, just please drop them in the comment section below. I get most of my info for every Locksport update through the comment section. I do not always have time to go through all of the videos throughout the week, but I always do my best. But thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.